Hello dear viewers, hope you all are doing well. I would like to welcome you all to our channel Make Me Pure International. Now, Make Me Pure International is a compassionate center fully devoted and focused on the mental well-being of youth and adults. Hello, my name is Gurpreet Singh Arora and I'll be your host for today. Today we are going to discuss a very unique and interesting topic. What are chakras? Chakra means wheel in Sanskrit, refers to spinning wheels of energy located along the spine. Now, almost all the religions believe that the chakras represent the area in the body where the spiritual and the physical consciousness comes together. Each chakra rotates at different speeds, which determines their frequency and colors. Now, let's try and understand 7 chakras. Well, most of the times we hear about the 7 chakras, but there are an endless number of chakras in the human body. A specific vibration, color and sound are associated with all the chakras, depending on whether these energy centers are healthy or blocked. You may witness different attributes of your physical, internal and emotional health. Now let me tell you something about the 7 chakras. First of all, let's talk about the root chakra, which is red in color. The root chakra is located at the base of the spine between the anus and the genitals. It's characterized by the feelings of survival, stability, ambition and self-sufficiency. Thereafter, let's talk about sacral chakra. Now, sacral chakra is orange in color. The sacral chakra is located in the lower abdomen area, about 4 fingers below the navel. Its attributes include the introductory need for sexuality as well as creativity and self-worth. Thereafter, let's talk about the solar plexus chakra, which is also called the Manipur chakra, and it is yellow in color. Now, the Manipur chakra or the solar plexus chakra is located at the solar plexus between the navel and the bottom of the rib cage. It's characterized by emotions like ego, wrathfulness and aggression. Thereafter, let's come to the heart chakra, which is green in color. The heart chakra is located in the heart region. This chakra is a seat of balance and it's characterized by feelings of love, attachment, compassion, trust and passion. Now let's move on to the throat chakra, which is also known by the name of Vishuddhi chakra, and it is blue in color. This throat chakra or the Vishuddhi chakra is located at the base of the throat, coinciding with the thyroid gland. It's associated with alleviation, healthy expression, faith, and the capability to communicate well. Now let's move on to the third eye chakra or the Ajna chakra, which is indigo in color. The Ajna chakra or the third eye chakra is located between the eyebrows and is considered to be the most important chakra. It's frequently used as a focal point during asana practices to develop further attention and mindfulness. It is responsible for intuitions, telepathy, mind reading, etc. Now let's move on to the crown chakra, which is violet in color. The crown chakra is located at the crown of the head. The 7th chakra is the center of church, enlightenment and dynamic thought and energy. It allows for the inward inflow of wisdom and brings the gift of cosmic knowledge. Now, another question may come to your mind. Why is chakra balancing important? Let's put it really simple. When your chakras are balanced, which you can visualize as wheels along your spine spinning in tandem, your flow of energy is aligned and negative feelings and thoughts as well as physical affection are less likely to manifest. The chakras also relate to the physical and emotional aspects of our being. When in balance, we feel healthy and at peace. And when blocked, chakras can bring on emotional and physical distress. Connecting with our chakras helps us maintain harmony throughout the body, mind and soul, and learn when it's time to heal parts of ourselves. I hope you all enjoyed this informative video. Don't forget to show your love to our YouTube channel by liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing. See you all in our next video. Stay happy, stay blessed, stay safe. Have a nice day ahead. Take care. Goodbye.